Welcome to Exploring the Lunar Surface, a journey through the Moon's terrain and history. The Moon has fascinated humanity for centuries, and today we're going to take a closer look at the lunar surface and discover the secrets it holds. The first thing that strikes us when we look at the Moon is its diverse terrain. The Moon is covered in craters of all sizes, created by the impact of meteoroids. Some of these craters are so large that they can be seen from Earth with the naked eye. The largest of these is the Moon's South Pole Aitken Basin, which is over 2,500 kilometers across. These craters not only give the Moon its unique appearance but also provide valuable information about the impact history of our solar system. The Moon is also home to towering mountains, some reaching up to 5 kilometers tall. The highest mountain on the Moon is Montes Pyrenees, located in the Montes Pyrenees Rill area. These mountains were formed by tectonic activity, and are made up of basalt and anorthosite rocks. These mountains are not only a spectacular sight but also provide information on the tectonic activity on the Moon. In contrast to the craters and mountains, the Moon also has vast valleys, known as rills. The most famous of these is Vallis Rima Ariadaeus, which is over 400 kilometers long. These valleys were formed by lava flows from volcanic activity on the Moon. These valleys provide information on the volcanic activity on the Moon and the lunar geology. The lunar surface is made up of a variety of different rocks and minerals. The most common type of rock found on the Moon is basalt, which makes up around 40% of the lunar surface. Other minerals found on the Moon include anorthosite, plagioclase feldspar, and olivine. These minerals have been studied by scientists to learn more about the Moon's geology and history. The study of these minerals also helps us understand the formation and evolution of the Moon. Now that we've taken a look at the lunar surface, let's explore the Moon's history. The Moon is thought to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after the formation of the Solar System. The most widely accepted theory is that the Moon was formed from debris left behind after a Mars-sized object collided with Earth. The Moon's history also includes periods of intense volcanic activity and impact bombardment. These events have shaped the Moon's surface and geology as we see it today. The Moon plays a significant role in Earth's history as well. It has a strong gravitational pull which causes the tides on Earth. The Moon also has an effect on human behavior and culture, with many cultures having lunar calendars and myths associated with the Moon. The Moon's effect on the tides also has a significant impact on the Earth's climate, weather patterns, and the behavior of marine life. Humans have been exploring the Moon for decades. The first human-made object to reach the Moon was the Soviet Union's Lunar 1 probe in 1959. But it was the United States Apollo program that made the biggest impact, with the first manned mission to the Moon in 1969. Since then, there have been numerous missions to the Moon, both by government space agencies and private companies. These missions have allowed us to gather valuable data and samples from the lunar surface, and have also allowed us to test new technologies and techniques that will be useful for future space exploration. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in the Moon, with plans for future manned missions and the establishment of lunar bases. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by 2024, and private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are also planning lunar missions. These future missions will not only allow us to explore the Moon further but also pave the way for future missions to Mars and other destinations in our solar system. But our exploration of the Moon is not over yet. There is still much to discover and learn about the Moon. Scientists have recently discovered evidence of water ice on the Moon's surface, in the form of frozen water molecules trapped in craters at the poles. This discovery has significant implications for future manned missions to the Moon, as it could potentially be used as a source of drinking water and rocket propellant. Another area of research that is gaining momentum is the study of the lunar surface. Scientists are using rovers and robotic landers to explore the surface in greater detail, gathering data and samples that will help us understand the Moon's geology and history. These robotic missions also allow us to explore areas of the Moon that are too dangerous or difficult for manned missions. In addition to the scientific research, the Moon also has great potential as a location for future human settlements. The Moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal location for a lunar base, and it could also serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Moon has always been a source of fascination and inspiration for humanity, and our understanding of this celestial body is constantly evolving. With the help of new technologies and techniques, we are now able to explore the Moon in ways that were once thought impossible. We invite you to join us on this journey of discovery as we continue to unravel the secrets of the Moon. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content from the Orbital Insights. Thank you for watching.